Hi guys, it's Bally here from ITSS. Thank you to all the people who attended our subcontracting readiness workshop on Wednesday, 3rd of April. It went really well, and the good news is we're going to be rerunning it again. More details on that later. Today's video is all about another workshop that we're going to be running, and it's specifically for employer providers. Now, these are levy-paying organisations who are thinking of becoming apprenticeship training providers in their own right to their own staff. So at this workshop, which is going to be taking place in Birmingham on Thursday, the 23rd of May, we're going to be talking about who should be an employer provider, what's involved in the process of becoming an employer provider, what are the key risks and challenges, and also what are the benefits, and what does that journey look like. So we've got some exciting stuff that we're going to be sharing with you, including case studies, and also Halfords is going to be coming along and talking about their key challenges that they faced when they became employer providers. So that's a workshop in Birmingham, guys. It's going to be a whole day workshop, Thursday the 23rd. I'll put the booking link in with this post. Unfortunately, due to limited spaces, there's only one space available per organisation, but I very much look forward to meeting you there. If you've got any other questions or comments, please put them in the notes and comments boxes below, or send me a private message, and I'll look forward to seeing you there and in my next video. Ciao!